Hi dears, welcome back to your science class. So we were talking about plants, right? We talked about different types of plants and we were talking about the different parts of plants. So we learned about leaves, different types of leaves and the functions of leaves. Today we are going to learn about roots. Root is a part which is below the soil, and the part which is above the soil is known as shoots. So the part which is below the soil, which is known as roots, are of different types and it is having different types of functions. So today we are going to learn about the two types of roots and the functions of the roots. The roots are of two types. First one is known as taproot and the other one is fibrous roots. Now let us talk about fibrous roots. This is known as fibrous roots. Roots which all starts from the base of the plant and looks hair-like are known as fibrous roots. Roots which are hair-like and starts from the base of the plant are known as fibrous roots. Plants like grasses have fibrous roots. Small plants are having fibrous roots. The next type is known as taproots. Taproots means root having a main root and many branches on that, which are known as lateral roots. That is, having a main root and having branches known as lateral roots are known as taproots. So these are the two types of roots. Fibrous roots, which means roots which look hair-like, and taproots, which means having a main root with branches on it. So these are the two types of roots. Now let us see what are the functions of the roots. The main function of the root is to fix the plant firmly in the soil. So roots fix them in the soil, that is why the plant is able to stand. The other function is it helps to absorb the water and minerals from the soil. So roots absorb them and it is transferred to all the parts of the plants. Some roots also act as a place of storage of food. Example, that is roots like carrot. They are taken as food because that part of the root is a place where the plant stores its food. So the main functions of a root is to fix the plant to the soil, to absorb the minerals and water from the soil, and also to become a storage place of the food by the plants. So children, today we learned about two types of roots and the functions of the roots. It is a part which bears all the other part of the plant. It has the flowers on it, the fruits, the leaves, and the different branches are joined to the stem. So the stem has three functions. The stem is a part which is above the soil. Now let us see what are the important functions of the stem. The stem helps the plant to stand up. It is a part which is helping the plant to stand straight. If there is no stem, the plant cannot stand. The next function is it transports all the minerals and water absorbed by the root to the different part of the plant. So transportation is the second function of the stem. So the important functions of the stem are it helps the plant to stand up, it transports the minerals and water to different parts of the plant, and also it bears the other parts of the plant. So let us learn about the different parts of a flower. The flower has two main parts. The colored part of the flower is known as petals, and the green part below the flower are known as sepals. So the green part is the sepal and the colored part is the petal. This is the part which is present in mostly all the flowers. But some flowers also have some other parts. Flowers also have tiny hair-like structure inside it. These hair-like structures are known as filaments, and the powder yellow structures are known as anthers. Some flowers also have tube-like structure in its center on which the filaments are fixed, and that part is known as stamen. So petals, sepals, stamen, filament and anther. These are the parts in a flower. So my dear children, today we learned about different parts of flowers, different parts of leaves and the different types of roots. So the plants, its important functions and its important parts, all are clear, right? So we'll meet with another topic in the next class. Till then, take care.